Tennant Company's T2 Walk-Behind Compact Scrubber delivers excellent cleaning results in small, congested areas. Scrubbing with the T2 Walk-Behind Compact Scrubber increases productivity and provides health and safety benefits for your customers and employees. The T2 is easy to operate and improves your facility's image by providing consistent cleaning results, all with a low cost of ownership. You can safely and easily clean in one pass with a compact, maneuverable design. Reduce your cost to clean with Tennant's T2 Walk-Behind Compact Scrubber. Quiet 68 dBA sound level lets you scrub anytime, anywhere, even when people are present. Intuitive, easy-to-understand controls simplify training. Tennant's T2 Walk-Behind Compact Scrubber delivers outstanding cleaning performance while providing health and safety benefits for your operators, employees, and customers. Reduce the risk of slip and fall accidents in narrow, confined spaces within your facility with excellent water recovery. The ergonomic adjustable safety trigger handle design improves operator comfort. Enhance your facility's image with Tennant's T2 Walk-Behind Compact Scrubber. Reduce scrub deck overspray on fixtures, walls, and baseboards with a self-adjusting splash skirt. The scrubber provides excellent down pressure and pad RPM for powerful cleaning. Tennant's T2 Walk-Behind Compact Scrubber features innovative engineering for easy operation and maintenance. Save time and simplify maintenance with tool-free squeegee replacement. Pad Assist helps move the scrubber forward and reduces operator fatigue. Tennant's T2 Walk-Behind Compact Scrubber provides exceptional cleaning results while delivering reduced cost to clean, health and safety benefits, and improved facility image, all in an easy-to-use and maintain compact scrubber. Tennant, changing the way the world cleans.